if you don't know what the freaking hell Bob's talking about, then here's what that actually means. So when we do a launch, typically what will happen is we will discount our product using a coupon code, and sometimes we may put like a 95% discount on a product that we're trying to launch onto Amazon. Now, there are some unscrupulous bastards who will see you doing that and then buy all your stock at 95% off. And then they will take your stock and simply resell it at full price. That process is called retail arbitrage, but we can think of it as Amazon bastards. I think that's probably the best way to think about it. So if you're doing a launch, how can you stop that happening? It's a great question. So what I'm going to share with you is a way that you can stop people selling your products on Amazon that you are launching and doing a launch for. So here's what you would need to do. And I think we can probably use this as our example product just because we were here. So let's suppose you're going to launch this product on Amazon, this probiotic stuff, and you've decided, so it's currently retails for $43. You're going to give a 90% discount on it, making it what, $39, something like $39 off. So it's going to sell for $4.30, something like that. So what you would do is you create a new variation in Seller Central. You go into the back of Seller Central account and you create a new variation of this product, and you set it up as a new variation of the product. And then you send in your stock, which will be your launch stock. You send that into FBA, but you mark the condition of your stock as used. All right, so here's where we get kind of hacky and kind of interesting. So you've got your product, you've set your listing up, you've got some stock already in FBA, and you've decided now you want to do a launch. So you create a variation for your product, you send some new stock in to launch your product with, and you mark that stock as used stock. All right, so then you send it into FBA and you set up your listing, your new listing, your variation listing. If this doesn't make any sense at all to you, don't worry, it's a little bit complicated, I get it, but you set up your new listing, what you're doing for your variation, and you set up that listing as used like new. Used like new. So when you set the condition of your stock, you would make it used like new. So you've sent in stock, you've marked it as used. On your listing, you mark it as used like new. And then it's a very simple process. What you would do then is you would mark down your stock, your price of your stock, to whatever it is you wanted. So if you wanted it to be $4.30 to achieve your right coupon giveaway, then you would mark that stock at $4.30. Okay, so you don't use a coupon code, you make the price of the used like new stock $4.30 or $25 or $30, whatever it is you want to do. And then you run your promotions all aimed at that variation. So you aim all of your promotions, Facebook, Google, Amazon PCP, PPC, at that variation. That way, what happens is, a couple of interesting things happen. Thing number one, if somebody's thinking about hijacking your listing and then selling all your stock as retail arbitrage, they can't do that because you've marked your stock as used, and you cannot then resell that stock on Amazon. So you get rid of that as an option for anybody thinking about doing it. So that's kind of cool. But you also then, of course, have got a variation which you're selling at full price on Amazon. Even though it's at a discounted price, it's still ostensibly, as far as Amazon's concerned, the full price because there's no coupon codes attached to it. So that's good. Amazon likes that. So you'll still get your shunt in the bestseller ranks, really, really good. And you'll still get reviews, of course, and You also get to go and ask the people what buy your product for reviews, because you've sold your product at full price. So it's lots and lots of wins. It's a really, really good strategy and works really well. If you're concerned about people hijacking your listing, do that. That's a really cool thing to do. Or you can just follow my system and launch with a coupon code, and that's cool too. So it depends on what you are most concerned about, but that will work really, really well. All right. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.